So I played this video for the school board.
We're taught that chemical evolution started in the oceans, but you say that's the last place you'd expect to look. Why?
Well, okay, to build up a big molecule called a polymer from many little molecules called monomers, for instance, proteins from amino acids and DNA or RNA from the nucleotide building blocks, every step of the way, every combination spits out a water molecule. They call that condensation. But if you already have water molecules dissolving these things, then the water would come back and actually break that bond apart. It's called hydrolysis. So if you try to do this in water, it's the hydrolysis, the breaking apart that would happen and not the forming. In fact, chemists who want to make proteins or DNA or RNA, they exclude water as much as they can. They even have water absorbing chemicals to draw out the water. So a primordial ocean is the last place I'd expect to find these polymers forming.
So much for the prebiotic soup theory. Yeah, and so I played that at the school board meeting. I get 3 minutes, I used a minute there, and I asked them, hey, what degree does your curriculum director have? What degree does your science teacher, science lead have? You know, if they don't have PhDs in chemistry, I suggest they listen to this guy and stop teaching kids that life began in water. And then I emailed the curriculum director. I said, could you or the publisher please send me a link to the scientific paper that shows how life began in water to validate what we are teaching the students? Crickets. They can't do it. There's not a paper on the planet that explains how life began, much less life began in water. And yet that's what they're teaching the kids.